Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now we will be discussing about the empty HTML elements. Close empty HTML elements. In HTML, it is optional to close empty elements. This is allowed when you have your element like this meta element. It is allowed in this manner if you don't close it. Also, this is allowed when you add slash before the end greater than. If you expect XML slash XHTML software to access your page, keep the closing slash because it is required in XML and XHTML. So in our document, as you can see, we are not having meta tag right here right now, but when I add meta tag, let's say for instance I add one meta tag, let me add it at the top of this title so you can see what I'm trying to talk about. When we add meta tag names, when we add, let's say for instance we use chassis, you may not have anything right here. You can have it close like this, and you can also have it close like this without the slash. That's what I'm trying to say here. And to the next, I wish to see you guys next time. Anwar Akorede is my name. Bye bye.